Starting question number first of exercise 6.4. So here in the 6.4 it is given first 2304 2304, and what we have to do here, we have to find the square root of this one with the long division method. So here what we have to do, we have to find the square root by the long division method. So here we will write 2304 first. See, we have already discussed how to make a pair. So here we have to make the pair from where? From the last. So here we are making the pair from the last. So we have made the pair from the last. So first pair is what? 23. Now here this 23, and remember, listen it carefully because this method is very important. After this 8th class, nobody is going to teach you this method. It should be there in your mind only. Thus directly they will say to find the square root and find how you will find with the shortcut method. But remember, with the shortcut method we can find the square root which is a perfect square, but which is not a perfect square, then we have to find the square root by this method only, long division method. There is no other method to find the square root of any number with leaving this one. So with this method we can find the square root of perfect square also, which is a perfect square, which is not a perfect square, that also we can find this by this method. So this is very important because after this 8th class, this method is not there in your syllabus. So this is your, that's why you have to understood here carefully how we are finding the square root. So what is our first step? Make a pair from the last. We have made the pair from the last. So after this, what we are having? Two pair we are having, 23 and 04. This 23 is there. Now what we have to do? We have to think here now. We have to take one number, and when we are taking the number, we have to multiply with the same number. Take any number and multiply with the same number, and it should come equal to 23 or less than it. So here what we have to do, we have to take one number. If suppose we have taken the 2, then we have to multiply with the 2, and 2 into 2 is how much? 4. So see, it is 4 is what? Less than, but remember it is told less than it. So but we have to take the maximum number, not the least less number. We have to take the maximum less number. So here if we are taking the 3, so we have to multiply with the 3. So what will come? 9. If we are taking the 4, we have to multiply with the 4 only. So what will come? 16. If we are taking the 5, then we have to multiply with the 5. So see what it is coming? 25. So 25 is what? Greater than 23. So we cannot take this 5. So which is the maximum less number? This 16 is the maximum from all the less number. So this 16 will come here. So here we will write the 16, and here we will write the 4. Here also we will write the 4. Here we have written the 4. So 4 into 4 is how much? 16. So here what we have to do? We have to take any number that should become what? Less equal to 23 or the less than 23, but that should be the maximum less number. And what the number we are taking, we have to multiply with the same number. So we have taken the 4, so we have to multiply with the 4 only. So here 4 it is came. So we have, after this what we are doing? Here we are doing the minus. 23 minus 16 is how much? 7. So we have written the 7. Then we will write the next pair. So next pair is what? 04. Remember, in divide we are writing the single digit, but in the square root we are writing a pair. In a pair how many numbers are there? 2 digits are there, so that both the digit we will write. Now here what it is came? 704. So in the third step, what we will do? Here do the double of this number and write here, or add this number. So two condition is there. You can do the here add. So 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Or here you can do the double. So 2 into 4. This one or this one. Two method is there. This is the first method, this is the second method. So any one method we will do. We will add this one 4 plus 4, or just we will do the double of 4. So what will come? 8. do the double of quotient or add 4 plus 4. So we can do any one thing. So here you can add 4 plus 4 or you can do the double of 4. So now here it is came what 8. After this what we will do? After 8 we will write any number. It should come the same condition. Take any number and multiply with the same number. It should come what? Equal to this one or less than this. So after 8, remember here, after 8 we will write one number. Suppose we are writing the 3, so we have to multiply with the 3. So 3 into 3, 9, and 8 into 3, 24. If it is coming less, then we will check for the other. We will write what 83, sorry. Now we are taking what 5, so we are multiplying with the 5. Remember 8 we are not taking. At the back side of 8 we have to write one number, and what the number we are writing we have to multiply with that number only. So 8 into 5, sorry 5 into 5, 25. So 5, 2 is carry, 8 into 5, 40, and plus 2, 425. If we are writing 85 in, sorry, at the back side of 8 we are writing what 8 only. So you have to multiply with the 8. So 8 into 8, 64. 6 is carry, and 8 into 8, 64, and 64 plus 6 is how much? 704. So we are seeing what? When we are writing the 8, we are getting the equal number. So here also we will write the 8, here also we will write the 8, and here we will write what? 704, and here also we will write the 8 only. Because we are writing at the back side of 8, we are writing the 8. So here also 8 we will write, and here also. Now we will do the minus. So what will happen? Everything will be cancel out. So our answer is came how much? 48. So we will write here the square root of 2304 is how much? 48. So this is our long division method. Now we will do some more questions. If you haven't clear here, so I am explaining more question here of this long division method. So you can understood there also if you are not getting from here.